Says ask me how, what does that mean?
Ask me how.
Like how ugly you are, or?
How ugly am I?
I don't know, do they always make you take the picture in a group picture?
Yeah, they do actually.
You must be pretty damn.
How you doing, man?
Doing good, how do I get to Disneyland?
Fuck, that over around here.
How do I get there? I'm trying to go to Disneyland.
That's where the fuck on the other side of the...
I need directions.
What?
I need directions right now.
All the way down here to I-10.
Alright.
Head west of I-10.
Okay.
Take you all the way there.
I'm gonna get to Mickey.
Might get Vicky, I don't know, man.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, he wants to meet you. Stay safe, I run.
I got 20 on it. I got 20 on it. Big bank take little bank. Hey, 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 hey. What the fuck, bro? You see that shit? You ever been on a bike yet?
Make his day, bro. Just make his day, dog.
Come hit it. Come hit it.
Can I take a video with you from here?
Go for it, bro. Absolutely. What's up, man? Like the Mohawk, bro? Yeah.
I'm only at like 3 subscribers at this point, so.
Hey, I'll put you on my YouTube right now, brother. I'll be your fourth.
I'm the hackest.
There you go, the world right there. Y'all saw it. I put it on film. You see it's recording.
Oh, really?
I'll put this video up.
Okay. Something to have it right here, right here, right here.
Yeah. We'll get some kids to follow you right now. Here, come here. Press the button. Yeah, nice. Yeah.
I'm here with the
LeVar the Moto Man.
LeVar the Moto Man. I'm here today with LeVar the Moto Man. I got his card today, and I just wanted to say hey, and apparently I'm gonna get to run the motor apparently today.
Yeah, hit that. Pleasure to meet you too, bro. Be safe, man. Stay in school, bro. Bye.
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too, bro. Be safe, man.
Bye. So that was awesome. I'm gonna see if I can get a video of him rolling away. So, okay. It's just like I hide in the bushes.
Oh my god, I just like...
That was awesome. Here's another picture of the card.
Oh my god.
See ya! That was amazing.
All right. How you doing? Good. Let's do some trivia. We're just sitting at the light. All right. Who was the second black president?
Second black president. I don't know.
Me either.
I don't think we had a second black president.
Hey, what you want to do? Well, since you almost killed me, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. I appreciate it. You almost ran over somebody mixed, too. Isn't that fucked up?
I'm mixed too.
That's what I'm saying. You almost killed one of us. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm going to put this clip up, too. I'm just letting you know that. Oh, yeah. You're going to go viral. Almost killing me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look. Hey, look. Hey, look. Hey, if it wasn't for him right here, me and you won't be here, right? And you almost killed me, man.
Intentionally.
I got Martin Luther King on my arm and you almost killed me, bro. Check me out. Share me since you almost killed me, meanie. Later, y'all. Have a good day. Look at her. She don't want to be on camera. See the ring, but hold my hand.
Watch that now.
Hold my hand.
Why?
So we can walk together.
No, that's all right.
Take care, bro. Sing it, man. Sing it, man. I want to race this slow ass Mustang, bro. You want some?
No.
Now. Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing? What up? How are you? There you go, everybody. Hey, bro. Hey. He's getting it, bro. Yeah. Hey. What's up, man? Can I get some water? Can I get some water? Hey, man, I gotta give you a pound, bro. I didn't expect you to give me that. Good stuff, man. I appreciate it. I got a couple in my backpack. I just had to test you. I had to test you real quick. Thank you, man. Good man.
Thank you.
Good man. You scared the shit out of me. I can tell. I almost died. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm just playing. Geeks. Yeah.
What's up?
Give me a joke.
Joke?
Yeah, tell me a good joke.
Not a comedian, bro.
Oh, no?
Nah.
Oh, you're a gangster if you ain't a comedian, right? Come on, buddy. Now, come on. I got you. You want me to ride with you all day? I will ride with you all day. Where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we gonna go? Okay, let's go. Which way are we going? That way? I can't go that way. It's one way. Take care, man. Look to your mirror. Don't tell me it was a motorcyclist. You sure? Because you sure be on your phone. I don't know. Nope. You better stop. Y'all better stop. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, look. We're brothers. We're happy and we're singing and we're colors. Hey, I want to race this slow ass Mustang. Damn, I got an angry ass face from you, bro. I said, damn, I got an angry ass face from you, bro. It's all good, bro. Hey. Is that your boyfriend? He's cute. What's up, man? I don't even get a smile from him. Look at that. Hey. What's up, buddy? How you doing? So far, so good. I like it. I got a joke for you. It's a knock-knock joke. You gotta start it, though. Go ahead. Who's there? Not me, who? I just ride around and mess with people at lights. Oh, give it a smile. Have a good day. Thank you, buddy. Have a good one. I will. I'm gonna try. Yeah! Hell yeah! Yeah! That was great. The guy picks up his flower.